Across some more roads from home. The old four-way stop out in the middle of nowhere. So let's go right. Hold on, is there anything coming? Nope. Nothing coming. Uh-oh. Tractor hit. Oh, there's a car too. I might have to slow down. No, he's going back in the field. Good day, sir. Get your job done for today. Oh, that's nice. That's a cutter. Oh, sweet. Built many houses around here. Farmers don't want to give up their land too much like they used to. Something big in the road up ahead. Huh. Ooh, traffic. It's unbearable. Unbearable. It's fucking brutal. Just fucking brutal. Here they come. Look at this. Uh-oh, Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Two of them doing some shopping. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know much more I can take of this traffic. Car coming up behind me, half a mile away. It's ridiculous. Just ridiculous. How you deal with this crap every day. Don't know how you deal with it every day. Looks like he's disking his corn down or something. Getting rid of some. Yeah, just disking it under. Nice. It's a nice looking rig here. Oh, can you imagine the city of Chicago, the people in the city would see something like this, they'd lose their fucking mind. My God, the horns would have been blowing. People would have been trying to pass through the fields. Ah, oh, Jesus. Couldn't even imagine. Couldn't even imagine. Hello there, neighbor. Yeah, it's the thing. There's an absence of sidewalks around here. Isn't that something? Hello there, young lady. Walking the pooches. Walking the pooches. We got some homesteads. I think they've been here for a while. Nice tractor. It's a whole case. Sweet. I like this little farm. We should fix ours up like that. Got the same crappy ranch house like we got. Oh, there's an old farmhouse. Would be nice. Nice little pond. Sweet. I believe this place here is a horse farm. Probably all inside now. They got like 20 horses there. Yeah, that's a horse farm there. There's one. Enjoying the sun. And, oh, traffic. Son of a bitch. He's going to pull right out in front of me. Look at that. That son of a gun. I'm glad I'm doing 30 miles an hour. Otherwise, I might have walloped him. Some old horses. Oh, they got some horses there too. Beauties. horses. I think all girls want horses. Beautiful animals, very friendly, personable. Oh, traffic. 2 cars, son of a gun, right on the corner too. Glad I'm doing 25. Great day for a drive. No place to be. Sit and soak it in, baby. Soak it in. Uh-oh. See? It's getting out of hand now. Getting out of hand. I suppose I can try doing the speed limit. 35. Now these guys here, I've been to this place before. They buy all kinds of stuff. Just keep selling it over and over. A lot of antique stuff. Couple brothers. Nice guys. Bought a bunch of shelving from them one time. Hello there, young lady. Christmas tree farm, I think. Yep. Christmas tree farm. Ooh, now we're on a major highway. Let's see what happens here. I think coming into a little tiny burg. This used to be a trail for wagons and stuff many years ago. And this little burg up here. It's close to railroad tracks. So it's just one of those little towns. It's pretty cool. Oh, someone's out there goose hunting, putting all their decoys out. Yeah, putting all their decoys out. What do you got for sale? What are they selling? Oh, looks like it's fresh produce, salsas and stuff. Cars coming. Got some cars coming. So much for the fun of a peaceful ride. We just let them pass, I guess. This guy here does nothing but VWs. He's been here for so many years, and people from all over bring stuff to him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. More traffic. Someone turned behind me. I'm going to have to pull over and let them pass. I'm in no mood to be tailgated today. Alright, let's just let them pass. There they go. There's another one behind them. So this is all within about maybe 5 miles of the house. Not too many roads out here, but it's nice driving. This little area is called Honey Creek. Not too large, but another one of those little dealies right next to the railroad tracks, little towns. This little place once had, I think, 2 or 3 bars. Not sure. I don't think there was hardly that many people living there at the time either. But this is just one of the little side roads. Nice driving without someone on your ass or blowing the horn or brakes, pulling in front of you, slowing down. It's just an unbelievable difference. Unbelievable difference. Can't imagine why I sleep so much better when I get home. Yeah, look at that, 5+ acres for sale. How much do you want for that? I wouldn't mind having that also. This guy's got some toys. I like to get over there and have some fun with some of his stuff. Look at that old El Camino. Yeah. So yeah, this is like I said, probably 2 or 3 in the afternoon on Saturday. And it's just such a change from the city of Chicago at any time during the day, any Saturday, any Sunday, in the middle of the night. Always someone that you're braking for. There's always a siren blowing. There's always someone with their bright lights on right behind you, blowing the horn because you aren't going 15 over the speed limit like they think you should be doing. Pot rolling out the windows from everybody smoking pot, thinking it's okay to drive while you're smoking. Nothing against pot smoking, but still under the influence. Of course, that's me calling a kettle black. 30 years ago, I could have been arrested 100 times. So, but we're almost back to the palace that I like to call home. Not much of a palace, but it's home. Uh-oh, this guy's right down the middle of the road. This is a grand hill, and I can't imagine how they keep this thing clean in the wintertime enough to drive up it. It's got to be an 8% grade, if not more. Geez, it feels like you're just going straight up. Probably 10%. And then a T's right at the bottom. It's not so bad going up, but that going down's got to be a white knuckle ride, I'll tell you what. Looks like we got a little family affair going on here. I don't know if they hear me, so I'm going to slow down. Looks like Dad's pulling the child. Or is that is that a dog? Come on, really? I think that's a dog. Yeah, they're pulling the dog for a walk. Yeah, 2 dogs. Hey, he's smiling. Yeah, that's pretty good. There you go. Go for a ride with the dogs. Brilliant. And we're almost back home. It's a nice little ride. Actually, I was just driving my truck around because I haven't been driving it for a while. It's had to put a new battery in, so it has to reset the computer. It was running pretty rough, but it seems to be better now. And we are turning back onto the estate. There's neighbor Katie. Her house, her little pond in the back that flows into our property, and we're home.